Globular clusters, ancient relics of the universe. Globular clusters are among the oldest structures in the universe, with ages typically ranging from 10 to 13 billion years. These densely packed spherical groups of stars are cosmic relics, nearly as old as the universe itself. Each cluster contains hundreds of thousands or even millions of stars tightly bound by gravity, giving them their distinctive spherical shape. They are found orbiting the outer regions of galaxies in the galactic halo, or near a galaxy's central bulge. The stars in globular clusters reveal insights into the early universe. Predominantly older and low mass, these stars have very low metallicity, formed from primordial gas before heavier elements were abundant. Surprisingly, many globular clusters show evidence of multiple stellar populations, suggesting they experienced more than one wave of star formation, adding complexity to their history. The dense environments of globular clusters significantly influence their stars. Close proximity often leads to gravitational interactions, creating phenomena like blue stragglers, stars that appear younger and hotter than the rest of the cluster, likely formed from collisions or mergers. Such dynamics make globular clusters ideal laboratories for studying stellar evolution and interactions. Beyond individual stars, globular clusters provide key insights into galaxy formation and evolution. As cosmic time capsules, they preserve clues about the early conditions of galaxies. By analyzing their orbits, compositions, and stellar populations, astronomers can reconstruct the assembly history of galaxies like the Milky Way, unraveling the story of stars, galaxies, and the cosmos.